Hey y'all, it's me, your local meteorologist from Columbia, South Carolina. And that's the crazy meteorologist. Look y'all, it's the great blizzard of 2018. It's freezing y'all. Y'all better go out and buy that bread, milk, water, and eggs. You better hurry.
You better hurry, it's already snowing.
What she said, say it again.
You better hurry, it's snowing.
Y'all better hurry. If not, y'all gonna die. Get in your cars, go get your bread, milk, water, and eggs. Buy it all up. What you didn't buy yesterday. Buy it all up.
Run inside your car.
Everybody's going crazy for the great blizzard of 2018. It's cold, y'all. It's cold. Listen, y'all better go get all that stuff. Get all your supplies. She's nuts. Anyway, y'all better go get your supplies before the roads ices up and y'all die. Y'all don't want to die. Stay inside. Stay alive. Go get your stuff and hurry home. Stay inside. Don't die. Stay alive. Again, this is us reporting from Columbia, South Carolina. The great big blizzard. Look, y'all, it's sticking. Sammy, ready? Look, snowball fight. Baby, there's not enough snow. Yep, this is our dusting that everybody is so concerned about. Go get your supplies. Go get your bread, milk, water, and eggs. Hurry before you die. We're all gonna die.